All right, hello to all ladies and gents. I have a packet. This packet is from Amazon. If you looked in the beginning, then you would have seen that I posted a picture of what this is. And if you don't know, now you know. So I'm going to open it the way I can. I actually bought this for a party that I'm about to have. Uh-huh. I bought this for a party I'm about to have. This is how they got it boxed. This is how they ship it to you. Damn, this box, okay? This is open. What the hell? It is a hookah machine. And if I'm not mistaken, I got a 20 inch. Yep. That's what it says right there. Can you see? 20 inch. So, we're going to go over what comes in the box. We got these, which are the little pipes for the little hookah. Want a closer look to go. We can do a blue one. Take it, you turn it this way, and you suck out this. Yep, hookah ready. Party ready. All my party people! Yeah! Okay, so we got this. I think this is where you put the coals or something on top. We're gonna figure all that out. That's what we got right here. Okay. We got this part right here. Set that right there. Mind you, I do not know why this shit look like it's been used already. You got fingerprints and stuff on it. All right, Amazon. Okay. I don't want to see now another piece. All right, we got these holes right here. Look like two holes. Why did you give me one hole? I should have two. Let's see. It's this side right here. Then that go right there. Okay. Yep. Two holes. One hole, two holes. I'll put that like that. Oh, shucks. So I got 4 holes? Got the one with 2 holes. Because I said I was going to get an extender. That's what I was going to do. Okay. This goes, and I think this is where the ashes fall onto. I'm not for sure. I am not a hookah expert. I just needed one for my party. This is the bottom that you fill the water up with, and it is nice. It looks very antique-ish, and it's all slick black. And I like that. Okay. And I guess, oh yeah, we got the little thing. You put the little charcoals on, which I ain't ordered yet. I know this hole goes somewhere like that. Okay, so ain't no instructions. This right here is the foil that goes on top, which I believe is what goes on top, like right here. And then you fold it down like that, and then you put your coals up there like that, and then somehow this and that go like this, and this go like that, something like that. But let me figure this out. I'm gonna come right back, alright? Stay tuned. It's your girl, Miss Blue. Okay, so I'm back. Let me put this down here some, because the focus is not me, okay? The focus is not me, you dig? I hope y'all can hear me through my wireless microphone. My green light is on. Okay, so since the base, I had to go and figure out how to do it. So what I did was I went and took a picture. I took a screenshot. So now we're finna put this bad boy together. Actually, this girl, we're gonna call her Goldilocks. We put that first, okay? Then we come. Now you see, they got screws. You see that? It's like a screw. One side is smooth. One side tells you need to screw. That's that. So we're gonna put this right here. Mine just come from Amazon. This is the 20-inch. I didn't want the little bitty personal one, because my little get together will be personal, but not like that. And she's so pretty right now. Look at Goldilocks. She building up, so let's move it up. Woo, woo, woo. Okay. So now that we got her up and going, okay, so I had to figure this out. This part right here, it comes off, people. Yes, yes. It comes off. Boom. Okay, now that that's off, this is a screw right here. This goes on right here. This catch the ashes. And then we're going to take this and we're going to screw it on. You see? It goes over because it got the hole right there. Okay, we want it to be straight. And again, one side got the screw, one side don't. So the side that got the screw needs to be screwed down. Just like so. Got her stable. Okay, now we come with this. Now to see what side you put it on there, this gonna have to go like this and not like this, so it's not fitting. So since it gotta go like this, we're gonna take this, we're gonna put it on here like that, just like so. It's tight. Then we take this and we push it down real good. I don't know how far down it's supposed to go, but I'm gonna push it down. It looked like it's even all the way to me. See, I wanted to make sure I pushed it down and touch that right there. Okay. Ooh, she is gorgeous. She is pretty. She's the queen. Okay. All right. So next thing we do is take that off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They could go in like that. And then you take your little finger things and put them in like, oh, okay. Just like that. And put this one. You smoke on this end. And they gotta have these little white things in. I don't think it'll stick without the white things. The white things are the grips, and it comes with it. Just gonna stick it in there. Stick that in there. Now I do not have the coals, and I do not have the shisha, but flavoring. But I will make another video once they come in. I wanted this first. All right, she's a beast. She's looking like a long-legged beast. I guess that's the key. So we're gonna take this right here. And then when you're ready, you put your shisha, SHISHA in here, and you put it around the hose. You put this on, you bend it like so, you put your coals on top, you pop your little tonya on, and then you chief. You do stuff this, and look, boom. It comes with all of this. It comes with these little clips. It comes with the 4 holes. It comes with the cube picker upper. And it comes with the foil. Now, how many foil did I get in here? If I'm not mistaken, I think it said 50 to 100, because it's a lot. Like, when I say a lot, boo, it comes with it. With the one that I got, it came with all of these. Be careful, you can cut your hand. I ain't even trying to go there. Gonna slide this back in the box. Feel like I got a paper cut. All right. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures of this beauty and then roll on out. All right, I hope y'all enjoy. It's your girl, Miss Blue. You know what to do.